How to back up your phone. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can back up your iPhone. You can easily back up your iPhone with iCloud. To do that, connect your device first to a Wi-Fi network. Now go to Settings and then tap your name at the top. Next, tap iCloud. Next, look for the iCloud backup button and tap it. In here, tap Backup Now button. Stay connected to your Wi-Fi network until the process ends. Under Backup Now, the time and date of your last backup is shown. If you get an alert that you don't have enough iCloud storage space to complete the backup, then you can buy more iCloud storage. Also, you can choose to automatically back up your iPhone by turning on the button beside Backup This iPhone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.